This is scaler which is used for cleaning in dentistry. Cleaning is done by forceful water pressure. So now how to on it? This is the on off switch. On it. Then these two are the water connections. From here you can increase the water pressure, and this is the water connection, and this is the mains plug, and this is for foot switch. This is the handpiece and this is the main console. Here are the three modes. G is for general, P is for perio, E is for endo. This is the handpiece. How to dismantle? So pull, it is removed. This is the end of this, and here are the pins. While connecting, match this dot with this dot. Match these both dots. Press. This is the bit remover. Insert the bit over here and rotate. Remove. While inserting it back, place it over here and again rotate. Fixed. When you press the foot switch, light function is active for the clear view. This is to increase the vibrations of the bit. So likewise it can be increased. Also it can be decreased like this.
In this way, the vibrations can be increased and the water pressure also increases.